Hi guys, welcome back to Chinese with 小鹿. Today I'm going to do another analysis. 小马在纽约. 小马 is Chinese. Ta-da! Fight. Which is recommended by one of my subscribers, John. Thanks. Actually, I have watched some of his video. It is quite fun to see people's reaction when a foreigner speaks fluent Mandarin around them all of a sudden. And this is what he do of his most popular videos. The video I chose today is a clip of white guys surprise people in New York City Chinatown with perfect Chinese. I'm going to analyze Xiaoma's grammar, pronunciation, and intonation. He learned Chinese in Beijing, but that was 10 years ago, and he was there only for 1 year. So really, how good is his Chinese? Let's check it out. Fight. Okay, let's officially get started.
Hi, how much for the hats?
Those $6 each.
Wait, $6 each?
2 for 10. How many you want?
2 for 10. I was thinking one maybe.
Okay.
Yeah.
5, okay? $5.
但是你觉得我自己戴的话，你觉得哪个颜色比较漂亮一点？
Okay, let's just repeat here.
但是你觉得我自己戴的话，你觉得哪个颜色比较漂亮一点？
What he said is, 但是你觉得如果我自己戴的话，你觉得哪个漂亮一点？ Let's break down this sentence. First, 但是 he used a 但是 to continue the conversation, but it just sounds a little bit too strong here because in Chinese, the part after 但是 is normally contrary to the part before 但是. Here the conversation before he started to speak Chinese. Actually, he was just have a bit chit chat with the street vendor, so nothing really need to use 但是. We as a native speaker probably will use 那 instead of 但是 here to continue the conversation. So the sentence gonna be 那你觉得我自己戴的话，那 means in that case or then. I wouldn't say this is a big mistake here, but I think it's better to use 那你觉得我自己戴的话，那你觉得我自己戴的话 will sound more native. And the second part of this sentence, 你觉得哪个漂亮一点？ Alright, I think it's a bit duplicate this word 你觉得 because he already said 你觉得 in the first part of the sentence, then you can just drop off this one in the second part. The full sentence is 那你觉得我自己戴的话，哪个颜色漂亮一点？ And 漂亮 they are both false tone. 漂亮 pretty. And I think 漂亮 is okay to use here, but actually there's another common used phrase we use a lot in spoken Chinese, which is 好看。好看。漂亮 is just sounds a little bit more formal than 好看, but it's not a mistake. I just want you guys to know this information. 好看。好看 is pretty as well, but sounds less formal. 好看。Okay, keep listening.
可以看一下镜子里面呢。
He said, 我看一下镜子里面. I think it's just a slip of a tongue. You can just say, 我看一下镜子. 我看一下镜子. Can I take a look in the mirror? Let's continue.
那你觉得哪个呢？你觉得哪个颜色比较适合我穿？也对。
Okay, he said, 那你觉得呢? When asked opinion or suggestions, it's so common to ask this question. 你觉得呢? 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 It means, what do you think? This dress is so pretty. 你觉得呢? 这条裙子好好看。你觉得呢? 这条裙子好好看。你觉得呢? I want to ask my boss for a raise. 你觉得呢? 我想和老板要求加薪。你觉得呢？我想和老板要求加薪。你觉得呢？ Let's continue.
Red? Ooh, yeah, I do.
Yeah, not pink. Yeah, that one's
You like that? Okay, 好。
你从哪里学中文的？
Okay, here the lady asked, 你从哪里学中文的? Where did you learn your Chinese? I think all of you guys can prepare answer for this question because there's a highly chance if you speak Chinese, there are people will ask you this question. Let's see how 小马 answered this question.
从哪里学中文？北京学的呀，北京学的呀。对，我09年的时候在北京待过。对。
He said, 我北京学的呀，我在北京学的。我在北京学的。So he dropped the 在 It was sounds more like a native speak Chinese. 我北京学的。So your answer can be this pattern as well. 我在 plus a name of a city or a name of a country plus 学的。我在北京学的。我在深圳学的。我在上海学的。我在成都学的。I think some of you guys learned by yourself, right? Then you can say 我自学的。自 means 自己 myself. 我自学的。And after that, he said,
我09年的时候在北京待过。对。
我09年的时候在北京待过。我09年的时候在北京待过。09年。This is how native speakers talk when it comes to a specific year. We tend to only say the last two numbers instead of the whole year. So take 2019 as an example. 2019年 We just tend to say 19年 19年 And 过 is a really important character in Chinese. I will talk about this in a minute. Let's keep listening.
对。Here we go. 我去过一次台湾。
Okay, the lady asked, haven't you been to Taiwan? And his answer is, 我去过一次台湾。我去过一次台湾。Okay, here. 过 normally have two meanings. The first is to pass, like pass the road, 过马路。过马路。Pass the bridge, 过桥。过桥。The second usage of 过 is if you want to express anything you have done in the past, then you can use the character 过. It can be used to describe something that has happened recently or has happened a while ago. Like, 我吃过饭了。我吃过饭了。Or, 我去过新加坡。我去过新加坡。The most basic structure for 过 is to place it after a verb and without object, like 我看过。我看过。Haven't you seen this movie before? 我看过。你看过这部电影吗？我看过。Haven't you heard about this story? 我听过。我听过。And sometimes you will add 了 after 过。我看过了。我看过了。我听过了。我听过了。过 and 了 they are both signal of past tense, but 了 is more emphasized action has been completed, but 过 is more emphasized on the experience you have. A common full sentence structure using 过 can be subject plus time phrase plus verb plus 过 plus object. Some example sentences are 我10年前去过北京。我10年前去过北京。我上周看过这部电影。我上周看过这部电影。我昨天见过这个人。我昨天见过这个人。Okay, here's a little test for you. If someone asks you, haven't you been to that coffee shop? If you did, what you gonna answer the question in Chinese using the basic structure of 过? And what if your answer is a little bit more specific? I have been to that coffee shop last week. How would you say that in Chinese? No rush, I will put the right answer at the end of my video. So take your time to think about that. Okay, keep listening.
15年的时候，对。
15年。
很喜欢的。
好棒哦！
对
你讲的，你讲
是不是
哪位？
This lady is asking him if he can speak Taiwanese.
只听懂一点点。啊？
你識叫什麼名？
He's a really quick thinker.
什麼小妹妹？
你叫什麼名？
哦，你叫哦，你叫，
你
再说一次，你叫，
什麼名？
你叫什麼名？
哎，
你叫什麼名？哦，我叫小馬。
小馬。
小馬，对。
那你現在是回到美國來？
回到美國，我以前我在北京待了1年時間，但我10年前在北京待過。對。
Okay, let's repeat what he said here.
我以前我在北京待了1年時間，但我10年前在北京待過。對。
Okay, I have no issue to understanding him at all. Here he said, 我以前在北京待了1年時間，但是10年前在北京待過。I think he can drop the object. 在北京待過. He repeat that twice. It's actually unnecessary. So what we can say is, 我以前在北京待過1年時間，但是那是10年前。我以前在北京待過1年時間，但是那是10年前。It's not really a big issue. Let's keep listening.
待過，對。
今年可以講這麼好的中文？
還行吧，還行吧。
非常
對
好啊。
還好吧，還好吧。
很好，很好。
對
你會寫嗎？You can write。
會啊，會啊，會啊。對對，還可以，一般吧。
老闆說你很聰明的。
是嗎？沒有沒有沒有沒有。不敢當，不敢當。
很好，很好。
Yeah.
Okay, this lady is giving a compliment to his Chinese, and he's really humble and keeps saying 还好还好，不敢当不敢当。And this is how most Chinese people will react to a compliment, like 不敢当不敢当，没有没有，还好还好，还好还好。If you are a humble person like 小马, then you can probably say 没有没有。没有没有，不敢当不敢当，不敢当不敢当。We always like to repeat it. Say it humbly. Okay, let's stop from here. If you are interested of Xiaoma's video, there's a link down below here. His Chinese is really good and sounds really casual and even a little bit laid back. So comes to the score for grammar. As for grammar, I think he definitely spent a lot of time on learning Chinese. Because you know, he only spent 1 year in China and he must create his own Chinese environment. And I feel it must take a lot of courage to filming videos like that because you just have no idea how people would react to you and what they're going to ask you. There are some grammar mistakes here during the conversation, but it does not affect me understanding him at all. And in that situation, even as a native speaker, it's common to have a slip of tongue. So I will give him 4.3 for grammar. For his pronunciation, there are words he didn't say it in the right tone, and as a native speaker would know he's a foreigner. But I think his listening must be at a really super high level because he can quickly get what this lady said in dialect. Back to his pronunciation, there are some issues there, but as being said, it does not affect understanding. And the mistakes he made is really common and really acceptable. So I will give his pronunciation 4.4. I'm just being picky with a person who spent 1 year in China. For last one, intonation. I think he has a really good feel of language and he sounds really relaxed and a little bit laid back because when he using short answers to answer questions, he just sounds one of us and he like to repeat certain words we're using frequently as well, like 对对对，不敢当不敢当， etc. His flow is really smooth, so I will give his intonation 4.9. Alright, that's all for today. I hope you learned something new from my video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Let me know in the comments below whose Chinese I should analyze next. I'm Xiaolu.